Let's get crafty. I am going to try and create an hourglass with these little craft containers I found at the Dollar Tree. First, I need sand. Did not have any, so I'm going to use baking soda. I want my sand to be different colors, so I'm using food dye to color my baking soda. Then I'm going to add vinegar. Let the vinegar absorb the baking soda and food dye. Then set it overnight until liquid is gone and baking soda is completely dry. The baking soda may be still clumpy and a little moist. To speed up the drying process, bake the baking soda until it's completely dry in the oven. Smash the lumps out of the dried baking soda. It will then start to look more like sand. Next, need to create a hole on the craft jars for the sand to come through. Had to make the hole bigger than I wanted because the sand wouldn't come through the smaller hole. Time to fill the jar. Now connect the two jars together. Question: if I flip this hourglass, will the colors stay separated? Of course not. My hole's too big.